lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing an online haul. I never unboxed from this company before, and this is from Cherryz. So here we go. This is the box. It's huge and heavy, so if you want to see what I bought from them, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoilers, subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So today we're unboxing my online haul from Cherryz. So if you are new to Cherryz, this is as I said, an online shopping. They sell almost everything from food, cleaning stuff, food, garden stuff for Easter. So yes, clothes, loads of more, and also they range around £1 to £10, but not more than £10, I think. But yeah, they sell some set which is more than £10, like a set stuff. So yes, but they sell really affordable things. Cherryz contacted me the other day and asked me to collaborate with them, and I collaborate with someone, lovelies, I always check first the site and the stuff that they are selling before I agree. And when I saw the other than what they are selling, I really thought that this site is very helpful right now, very handy, very useful at the moment, because I know most of the people, loads of people, like, are shelving at the moment and they can go out to buy their essential. So I really thought very useful for them at the moment, because they are selling a lot of essential items. And also their shipping, it's really quickly, because I ordered all this item in last Thursday and they arrived today, which is Saturday. So if you want to check it out, this online shopping, I will put the link down below, which is, it will direct you to download an app, which is a Cherryz app. And once you download that one, you can go and shopping. It also gave me a 20% off on your first purchase. So if you want to use that one, I will pop in here or in the link down below. Everything will be in the description box below. And if you want to purchase also in Cherryz, lovelies, I saw that over £10 they have shipping free, so it's not bad, isn't it? So yes, so this is the box that it came, a huge box, and it's very heavy. And I bought few random stuff. It's not random, but it's very useful, very essential at the moment. I bought some cleaning stuff, food, some kitchen stuff. So yes, let's get started. I think I spent like more than £30. Also, the item that they are selling, you can find them in Poundland or in B&M or in Pound Stretcher. So if you don't have those shops near you, you can get them in there, in this online shopping. And before I start, first, lovely, sorry if I have no makeup on. It's Saturday. You know that Saturday is my day off, and I usually clean my house. So I was cleaning the house and this box came, so I stopped cleaning. I did to do a video, so I'm really sorry for my face, but I really wanted to unbox with you, lovelies, this one, so I can use them immediately, and kids are excited to eat the food too. So yes, let's get started. So the first thing I bought, let's start with the kitchen stuff. I saw this one and I thought to get it, because as you know, we have few cereal open at the moment and we leave it in the box. Thought to buy this one here and tried it. This is the dry food container one, which it has hold 3.5 liter. It's huge. I didn't expect it will be this huge, but it's only £2.50, and the quality is really not bad, lovelies. For £2.50 you can't complain, isn't it? And yes, you can open like this and close it properly. So this is not bad at all, and yeah, and very useful. I really need one of these, and I really wanted to try one of these. Lots of different colors too in there. So when I was pregnant with my daughter, I used to bake a lot, really a lot, and then stop it. I don't know why, but I want to restart again, and I bought this one here, the easy to use 24 centimeter cake tin. I have a loads of cake tin in my house, but I really need one that it fit on my turbo, because I want to bake my cake in just in my turbo without using the oven one. So I thought this one will, I think it's a perfect fit there. I fingers crossed. So I bought this one for only like £2, which is not bad, and the quality is nice. And then I bought also this one, which is a very useful for me, but sometimes I always forget. When I go shopping, I always forget to bring my bag, and I know it's really a bad habit. When I take out all the items, I always forget the shopping bag to put in my purse, in my bag. So yes, I hope this one, fingers crossed, that I won't forget it anymore. So this is a shopping bag. So this is the fold away shopping bag, and it's only £1. It has this thing here, which is a clip one that you can attach in your purse, in your bags. You open it, it looks like this, and it's bag, so perfect. It's a big bag, it's a perfect size for me. So yes, I really hope that I won't forget it anymore, but this is only £1, so it's not bad. And then let's start with all the foods that I bought. As I said, I was going to again to bake more, and I bought this one from Betty Crocker, the red velvet cake mix, which is this just so good. It's one of my favorite. I forgot to purchase the icing, but sometimes Lively's I won't even put icing here because it's too sweet. But yes, and there's also the instruction at the back, and yes, it's so yummy. I tried this one before. It's really good. And then the other product that I bought, it's this from Balcony, the Tranchetto cacao with cocoa filling, and this is only £1. Oh, this one here, Lovelies, it's £2. This one, it's £1 only, and I love the food from this brand, from Balcony one, and they are very affordable. Usually they range like £1 to £2, but this one is one of our favorite. We usually purchase this product in Poundland, but I didn't see anymore this one here. And this one, it has the like a chocolate filling inside with soft like a soft bread. It's really good. I love this one. It has 10 inside, 10 bread inside, free from preservative, artificial color. The other thing that I bought from the same brand is this Rolino Nocciola with hazelnut cream filling. I love this one. Only £1 too, £1, and inside it has like a hazelnut filling with the chocolate coated on the top. Really good. This one has 6 inside. These products, love, it's perfect in your bank lunch or in your handbag. Perfect for on-the-go snacks too. And then I bought this one here. The wafers are cacao. Really yummy. It's really good, this one. It's a chocolate one. Very good. Wafer. I love wafer. Also, I bought this one, the Highland Specialty Signature Selection Shortbread. We love shortbread with tea, hot tea, or hot chocolate. This is really nice, and it's only £1.25, I think. Yeah, it's arranged like £1 to £2, but not more. And then I bought this one. This product here, I bought it in B&M before, and I really enjoy it. It's so good, so yummy. And this is the Skinny Whip. It has 5 bars inside, double chocolate snack bar. It's less than 99 calories. I'm not sure, but I really love them. And it's only £1.25, I think, and I love it. I think it's only £1. I'm not 100% sure, but it's a range £1, £1.50, but I love it. So yeah, highly recommend to try it. And then the last food that I bought, I thought will be nice, the movie night, and this is the Fini Cinema Mix. It's like a sweet. It has egg inside, strawberry, random things. So yes, it's only £1. So yes, I bought this one. And now let's move on with the cleaning stuff. So for the cleaning stuff, the first thing that I bought, and I saw it and I said I thought this will be very handy, and this is the handy plastic kitchen caddy one. It has the handle here that you can put in the kitchen cupboard, and this one can be used as a bin, like for the small things. When you chop the onion, the thing that you need to throw, you can put in here, or it could be with your cleaning stuff. So yeah, you can use this one with anything, and I thought this will be handy. I think this one, it costs only £2, £2.50, so really a good bargain, isn't it? So yes. And then the other stuff that I bought, this is one of my favorite brand cleaning stuff because they smell gorgeous. So the first one here, this is from Fabulosa, and this is the concentrate disinfectant, and this is in the scent passion fruit, and it smells gorgeous, smells really nice. This one you could use anywhere. So this is the ready to use formula, cleans and shine, eliminate odors, long lasting freshness. It has 500 ml, and this one, yes, says you could use everywhere, just to pop up in your curtain, in your couch, or just to take off their dust. Yeah, you can use this one with everything, with the surface, to clean the surface. You can use this one everywhere, and they smell gorgeous and they smell lovely. It lasts days. It doesn't last just one day, but it lasts days. So yes, I really enjoy this one. And then I also bought this one, which is the disinfectant. I think this is the one that you need to dilute it with the water. And yes, I use this one on the window. I use them everywhere, and I use this one also to clean my floors. I don't usually purchase any more for floor cleaner. I just use this one, and yes, they are really good. I think this is the tropical haze, I'm not really sure. And I use this one also to clean the radiator. And one tip, lovelies, when you use this one, just get a cloth, wet it with this one here, and just put on the top and turn on your heater, and your house will smell lovely. So yes, I love this one. I bought also this one here, which is the Vivid Clean and Scrub Pad 2-in-1 microfiber. I usually use this kind of cleaning pad. It looks like the period pad, but yeah, I usually use this kind of pads to clean everywhere. And yes, one side is very like scratchy one, and one side is very soft, and it's only £1. And the Fabulosa range too, it's only £1, lovelies. So it's really a good bargain. And then also I bought this one, which is the Does It Microsoft Microfiber Cloth for Bathroom. I really need one at the moment. Yeah, it has two, which is this one is for cleaning, and this one for dry and shine, but I usually use only this one with this. Yeah, and it's only £1 too. And then also I bought this one here, the Does It Pin Odor Neutralizer. As you know, summer's coming soon, hot weather's coming soon, and the smell sometimes in our bin smells not good. So yes, I bought this one, and it says citrus scented. It says developed to tackle the key issues surrounding all your household bin. The odor deodorizing product takes care of nasty smell. Sprinkle some in when you use your bin, and it's only £1 and smells gorgeous too. Smells like citrus smell. And then I bought this one too, the Astonish Window and Glass. I never saw this brand with the window and glass before. I saw with the bathroom, with the kitchen cleaner one, but never saw a window glass. So I tried it. It's only £1 too. And I bought this one also, which is the free freshener from Vivid, and it's only £1. And yes, I thought to try this one, and it says last to 6 months. As you know, fridge, sometimes when you put a lot of food inside, the smell stay there. So yes, I thought to purchase this one and tried it. Then some random things now. I bought this one, the safety pin. Sometimes I need this, but we don't have it at home, so I thought very handy. It has 50 pin inside. It's only £1.2. And I think there's a different size too, which is good. There's a small, medium, and large sizes. And then I bought this one. I really wanted this product for so long. This is the mesh butt brush. It's only a £1.25, I think, and this one to wash everywhere. So yes, it's kind of boring, but it's very handy, and I wanted to try it for so long. This product's very interesting product, and this is the Smart Key touch-free tool. Avoid direct contact with shared surfaces. Antimicrobial copper alloy. Pull, push, and tap. I thought this one will be like interesting at the moment. As you know, we need to be careful at the moment, so I thought to try this one. It's a touch-free tool designed to reduce direct contact with shared surfaces. Door handle, touchscreen, ATM, and lift buttons are just a few of the shared surfaces we interact with daily. Smart Key is your key to germ-free touching when performing this everyday task. I thought will be like, let's try it. So yes, and I think this one is around £2, 53 pounds. And then the last three product we have in here, and this one, when I saw it, I need to grab it immediately because I bought few days ago an electric wax melt. So yes, and I bought these three candles here, which is from Yankee Candle, and I have the Sun Drenched Apricot Rose. This is £1 and smells lovely. It smells like rose florally scent. And then I have the Wedding Day, £1 too. This one is much more clean, and yeah. And then we have the Tropical Jungle, and it smells like more florally scent. I prefer these two more, but yeah, I got these three, and each is £1. So that's all the thing that I bought. And yes, I really love shopping Cherryz because the prices are very affordable one. And as I said, it's very useful at the moment, the site, because I know some people can go out, so it's very useful. So I thought to do this kind of video, and it's not my first haul because definitely I will repurchase more from them. And yes, lovelies, what do you think of Cherryz? Let me know. And as I said, if you want to get line shopping, I just pop the link down below. If you click that link, you will go through in Cherryz app. You need to download it. Once download it, you can shopping, and you will have your 20% off on your first purchase. Jayca 20, Jayca 20. But the info as always will be in the description box below. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.